front, behind। तो चलिए सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, बेल आइकन को दबाते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक करते हैं और शेयर करते हैं। अस्सलामु अलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एक्टिव लर्नर्स पॉइंट। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न in front of and behind. I will ask you some question, you answer it. So dear students, what is this? This is hen. Very good. And what is this? This is chick. This is hen and this is chick. Very good. Tell me, where is the hen? The hen is in front of the chick. hen कहाँ है? chick के सामने है, तो उसे हम कैसा कहेंगे? The hen is in front of the chick. Where is the chick? The chick is behind the hen. The chick is behind the hen. chick hen के पीछे है. The chick is behind the hen. The hen is in front of the chick. Very good. In this picture, where is the chick? The chick is in front of the hen. The chick is in front of the hen and the hen is behind the chick. Where is the hen? Behind the chick. Where is the chick? In front of the hen. Very good. Now look at this picture. What is this? Which animal is this? This is a cat. This is a cat. And what is this? This is a box. In this picture, where is the cat? The cat is in front of the box. In this picture, the cat is in front of the box. Look at this picture. Where is the cat? The cat is behind the box. In this picture, the cat is behind the box. Very good. Dear students, look at this picture. Who is this? This is a boy. And who is this? This is a girl. Where is the boy? The boy is in front of the girl. The boy is in front of the girl. Where is the girl? The girl is behind the boy. The girl is behind the boy. Very good. Have you understood? Very good. Look at this picture. What is this? This is a tree. What is this? This is a tree. And which animal is this? Do you know? This is monkey. This is monkey. Tell me, the monkey is in front of the tree. Where is the monkey? The monkey is in front of the tree. This monkey is in front of the tree and this monkey is behind the tree. In this picture, there are two monkeys. How many monkeys are there? Two monkeys. This first monkey is in front of the tree. This first monkey is in front of the tree and this monkey is behind the tree. Have you got it? Very good. Dear students, let's solve some examples of your textbook. So open your textbook. तो प्यारे बच्चों, आप अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक्स ओपन कीजिए, हम उसमें के जो एग्जाम्पल्स है वो सॉल्व करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज़ दिस? दिस इज़ अ कर्टन. व्हाट इज़ दिस? दिस इज़ अ कर्टन. टेल मी, हाउ मैनी चिल्ड्रन आर देयर इन दिस पिक्चर? There are two children. This is one and this is two. How many children are there? Two children. कलर द बॉक्स बिलो द चाइल्ड हु इज बिहाइंड द कर्टन। हमें उस बॉक्स को कलर करना है जो चाइल्ड कर्टन के बिहाइंड है। तो टेल मी हु इज बिहाइंड द कर्टन, विच चाइल्ड इज बिहाइंड द कर्टन। This child is behind the curtain. This child is behind the curtain. We will color this box. You also color in your textbook. Very good. Second है color the box below the swing which is in the front. So how many girls are there in this picture? There are 2 girls. तो हमें उस बॉक्स में कलर करना है जो गर्ल फ्रंट पर है। तो फर्स्ट गर्ल एंड दिस इज सेकेंड गर्ल। तो विच गर्ल इज इन द फ्रंट? द सेकेंड गर्ल इज इन द फ्रंट। वी विल कलर द बॉक्स बिलो द सेकेंड गर्ल हु इज इन द फ्रंट। वी विल कलर इन दिस बॉक्स बिलो द सेकेंड गर्ल। दिस गर्ल इज इन द front and first girl is behind. In this picture how many girls are there? There are 2 girls. What we have to do? Color the box below the child who is in front of the stumps. So tell me students, where are the stumps? I will show you. These are the stumps. These are the stumps. And what we have to show? The girl who is in front of the stumps. Which girl is in front of the stump? कौन सी लड़की स्टम्प के सामने है? This girl is in front of the stump. We will color below this girl in this box. Have you understood? Yes. Very good. Very nice. So dear students, practice this in front and behind, and we will meet in the next chapter. So like the video and share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. तो बच्चों ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसे शेयर कीजिए और अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो इसे सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। तो तब तक के लिए मैं आपको ये होमवर्क दे रही हूँ। इस वर्कशीट में आपको उस चीक को सर्कल करना है जो बिहाइंड में है किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के। तो इसकी प्रिंट निकाल कर आप इसको घर पर प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।